Hi guys, what's going on? It's been a while. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I created this colorful cut crease or half cut crease, and I decided to share it with you guys. So if you want to see how I created this colorful half cut crease, just stay tuned and keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification and like this video. So taking my Juvias Please, the yellow shade or the mustard shade in my Juvias Please eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to use that for my first eyeshadow for my inner corner. I'm just taking a small brush and I'm just tapping my eyelid with the eyeshadow. I'm tapping it lightly, and I need it to be popping yellow, so I'm going back and forth into the palette to make it really pop. Also going in with the pink shade from the Juvias Please palette, I'm going to use that on my crease as well, and I'm also making sure to blend very well. I'm taking the first brush I used earlier on, and I'm just going to use that to blend the pink and the yellow eyeshadow together. Using this House of Tara eyeshadow palette, it's a really old palette. I'm taking this purple shade, this really dark purple shade, and I'm using that for the outer corner of my eyes. The key is always to blend, so I'm just packing that in the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm going to try to blend that all in. Taking the brush I used for my pink eyeshadow, I'm going to use that to blend the purple and the pink together. So once that is done, I'm taking my eco brush and I'm just going to blend all the eyeshadow together to give it a really seamless finish. So I'm going to use my Morphe eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use that to help me with easy blending. So I'm taking that shade from the Morphe eyeshadow and I'm going to use that to blend all my crease colors together. Guys, as you can see, I'm taking my time blending, so I need you all to take your time blending as well. Don't worry, everything is going to blend out eventually. Just take your time and blend it out really nicely. Going in with my NYX jumbo pencil, my NYX jumbo pencil in milk, I'm going to use this pencil to cut my crease. This is my best part. I'm going in with the pink shade from the Zulu palette, and I'm using that to intensify my pink eyeshadow on my lid before I start cutting my crease. So now I'm cutting my crease with the NYX jumbo pencil and the BH Cosmetic brush. I don't know what particular brush it is, but I know it's in a set, 7 eye set, so that's what I'm using to cut my crease today. So after cutting my crease, I kind of dragged the eye primer down to my eyelid area, my actual eyelid area where I put my eyeshadow, to use it as a base for my eyeshadow. And then I go in with the same purple shade I used earlier on, and I use that for the whole of my outer corner area. Then I also go in with this yellow shade, and I use that for my inner corner area as well. And then I go in with this orange eyeshadow from the House of Tara palette, because that's been calling my name, and I use that to complete my eyeshadow look. It's a really pretty orange, and I'm really grateful for this palette. The palette is bomb, and it's the most inexpensive palette you'll ever get in your life. So I'm just going in and blending everything together. And now I'm using my NYX Vivid Bright eyeliner, the yellow one, and I'm just going to use that to line my crease area. So right now I'm using the Zaron lip liner in bold to line my lips. I'm also taking the Zaron lipstick in Ebony. I'm also using that to line my lips as well. And I'm also taking the Makeup Forever lipstick, and I'm just going to use that as my nude lipstick, and I'm just going to blend everything together. So guys, here is my finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Linda. Bye.